Welcome everyone, we're back. All right, let's start the show. What's going on here, by the way? Seems like that it seems like that YM might want to continue lower. Who knows? Anyway, anyway, what is happening here? Where can it go? Down to 930? All the way down. Maybe. Anyway, let's see what's going on. NQ has made its way above this level that we were talking about in London session and almost made a new high here. Well, not a new high, but broke those highs. And now it seems like it's struggling in this 1 hour BC, which has turned into kind of like an inversion or resistance level. So let's see of what it's gonna be. Do we have some news? Okay, anyway, we have market open in about 7 minutes. And as far as I can see, well, we have some sell side down there, but what if it wants to make a new high? Made a lower high here. Hard to say. It's just hard to say. All right. So NQ is struggling a little bit. I'm gonna be waiting for what's gonna happen. Is it gonna make a new low or not? We don't know that at this point. But all I know is I got into a short on NQ and on YM, small position, and I'm still holding them, so I'm gonna wait. Obviously, small position, tiny ones, $80 or 90. So I'm just gonna wait and see how it turns out. Less than 5 minutes to go. It would be awesome to see this one make a new low here. And the 50% retracement level of this whole move is below 300, so that would be interesting. We have an order block low at 43,930 on YM also. So it's the waiting game. Hey Dario, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Less than 4 minutes, actually almost 3 minutes until the open. And this is what we're looking at right now. Edging a little bit lower. Gold edging higher. We'll see how the open will look like, I guess. Okay, and all right. So let's wait this one out. 1 minute 20 seconds. I'm still holding a short on NQ. I don't know what's it gonna be or how's it gonna turn out. If it takes out the data low, I'm okay. If not, then you know, it is what it is. It could easily go higher. Anyway, 37 seconds. Only 2 micros, so don't get too excited. It's not a big deal. Looking for the 50% level, to be honest. And that's it. All right. Here's the market open. YM spiked down a little bit, but came back. All right, let's see. Okay. We got this. Putting it to break even. Come on. Come on. All right. All right, we got it. Was an okay trade so far. So far. Gold spiked higher a little bit, not too much. YM is still holding. YM didn't go down to 44. Oh yeah, it's lower. Okay. Marcos, hey there. You got back. What's happening? And Akram is here. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I'm watching this closely and I see maybe gold wants to go lower. Who knows? Do we have some news? What about the news right now? Nothing after this one. So we still have a bit of a gold sell opportunity here. Maybe. If it wants to take out that sell side. What are you guys up to? Anyone is in a trade? I'm just looking for gold right now. It seems like we might be able to have a possible short on gold. Not really sure. Enter the short on gold. Okay. 50, 45. Well, it's 50. All right, 52, 56, 2. All right. I have a short on gold. And that's it. Nothing fancy. As for YM, we need to use the March contract. Yeah, better. Hey, DLC Zinga, I messed up and it's the 6th day with no trade. Does it mean my account has been... No, not necessarily, but open a trade or something and ask support and just write a nice email to them that you're sorry you were not able to trade or whatever. Ask them to just to make sure, because it would be bad if you just continue and at the end they would deny you because you weren't enough active. You weren't active enough. So if I were you and you're over the 6th day of inactivity, I would write to support and let them know. And if they say you're still good, then it's good. At least they know about it, So let them know about it. Then open a trade. Let them know that today is the 6th day, but you're trading. You're gonna open a trade. But still, if I were you, I think I would send them a support ticket, that just to make sure, and ask them if you're still good or not. You should be still fine, I think. But at least you will have an answer from support that you can relay it back to. So that's what I would do. Who knows these days, Here's my short on gold. Seemingly, YM also wants to go down on a short, on a possible short. I might actually add to it. I might add the short. All right. Enter the short on YM. And I'm going to target the 940-ish area, maybe. Yeah, that would be good. $940 is the target on my YM trade. Here's the trade. Here's the gold trade. These are the ones that I have. Gold is not necessarily looking good right now. I cannot connect. The account is active in dashboard though. Then you definitely should write a support ticket. You know, just write them a support ticket and ask of what's happening. You know, that's what I would do. Just let them know and ask for help from support. You should be okay, I think. I don't know what's going on with gold, but it's not looking good for me right now. Man, I don't like this. Looks like a bullish flag thing. I might have to close it down. I might have to close it down. On NQ, I don't see anything special. YM is going down, so that's good. But gold is not. The YM trade is looking okay, or looks like okay for now. NQ seems like spiking higher. We have a bounce on YM too. Actually, the goal on YM would be to take out the order block. So, you know what? I think I'm going to lower it down a little bit, the target. That should be the draw on liquidity. Hopefully. But I don't trust the gold. NQ spiking higher. Look at the move. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna make all the way up to, what's the high here? 69.75. Yeah. Almost made it up there. Almost made it up there. Just a second, a phone call. I'm sorry, just a quick phone call as usual. Okay, so gold is struggling to go down. Though is just sitting there now. These are the trades that I have. And hopefully something positive will happen. It's a bit of a slow motion right now. Nothing really is going on. I was expecting a little bit more. A little bit more movement here. But it's not happening yet. NQ seemingly is showing signs of trying to break lower. I don't know. Enter the short on NQ. If NQ goes down, where can it go? Anywhere, right? But at least gold is going. I'm not really sure where to find the target for NQ here. Okay, this is the gold trade, the YM trade. Almost at the target with gold. And here's the NQ trade. So currently I have 3 positions, very small, 1 and 2 micros here. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Go lower. Fill that small gap down there. That should be the purpose. Oh no, YM went back into break even. And gold is not moving. Okay, gold. Thank you. Gold moved to break even. YM and NQ is still struggling. I might be closing the NQ trade if I have to. Closing the NQ trade. So now only have the YM, which is somewhat is a risk. And that's it. That's what it's all about. Maybe it's gonna change direction, who knows? NQ is building up some kind of support here in this area. There is a 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency on this level. Seemingly, it's using it as a support. If it does, it might try to go to make some new daily highs, which is at 424. All right, we'll see. Yeah, YM is slowly edging higher. Slowly, unfortunately, it's edging higher. Doesn't really want to go down. Here it is. The gold trade is looking okay for now, but not enough movement. Yeah, the YM trade, I might have to cut it. think I might have to kill that trade until it's not too late. NQ moving lower. Look at this. Where does it go? Anyway. Hey Royce, what's up? Good morning, Zoltan. Yes, opening range. We made my short target on an open. Congrats. We made dip same move. Yeah, buy a dip for higher target. Yeah, it could be going, but for now it seems like NQ wants to move lower. Maybe I should have held that NQ short, you know. 7 money bag, yo, what's up? We're dipping lower. Yeah. Yeah. We are going. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But what's the target? You know, what could be the target? Fair value gap lower, maybe? I don't know. Maybe down there. Look at that. It's actually not that far. 50 points. It's nothing for NQ. If it wants to go. Wow. To think about it, I was in a short. Oh well. Now the why I'm short is in a small profit again. Okay, NQ edging higher again. Yes, under 61.25, 60.70 area buy long short cover for you. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, right down there. That's a good area. That's 70. And by the way, don't forget that I think there's still some gaps down there to be covered completely, at least on NQ. Still partially open. I wouldn't be surprised on a sell. 72. Yeah. Might go. Let's see what it does here. Could be a bit of a recovery or repricing, a bit higher, but tough call. It's a tough call. Not moving anywhere. Nothing special on the 1 minute. I was looking for some kind of a turnaround on the 5 minute here, but the only thing we have is a fair value gap at 955. Gold trade is still on. The YM trade is still on. Here's the YM and here's the gold trade. It's at break even. Maybe the sell-off will continue. Oh no. Gold exited at break even. Out of the gold trade at break even. Yeah, it's going higher. Still in the YM trade. Maybe there could be a second chance entry on gold, but I'm not sure. Sell side liquidity 43,930 on YM. Quick update. Maybe I should move my stop, I guess. Moving my stop down here. All right. Looking for liquidity around 43,930. Taking profit at 36. Can I take a partial here? Of course I can. Took partials. Moving the stop to break even. All right. Feels better. Come on, YM. Let's go. Come on, YM. Do this. No, it's not doing it. NQ is going lower. I don't know what's happening with gold. It's kind of weird. But it almost feels like that gold might want to take one more drop to the sell side. Yes, dump bear. Traps buying soon. Long to 61.50. Let's go. Yeah, ES is nicely going. ES is nicely going down. Or was going down. Yeah, still. It's funny. Funny how it's not moving. I mean gold. Stuck here. I thought that we're gonna see one more dumpage on gold. But NQ seemingly might want to drop down to you know, lower. Maybe try to get to that 1 hour gap, who knows. Yeah, the YM trade almost got to take profit, but it didn't. Bounce back. NQ, I think it wants to reach that 26 liquidity pocket. Oh man, this YM trade, it didn't go through. Why? Almost out at break even. And I'm out at break even on YM. No worries. Looks like NQ might want to make a recovery here. And yeah, that's it. That is it. Not doing anything. Recovering. There is a nice sell side liquidity though at the 26 level, should be okay for NQ. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for that level. But first of all, if it drops, it drops. But is so close. You know, we have a gap here, kind of like an inversion gap. It didn't really go into it, but seems like it might want to tank any second now. Below 55. Tempting to take a short, but I can't. I just can't do that. Oh, the waiting. It's horrible. Okay, at the 250. And it's 20 points away from the gap. Wow. Bouncing up right now. What a move. Hmm. Yeah, bounced off. Gold might try to shift higher here. And if it does, well, it has to go above 62. If it does. Oh, there you go. NQ, maybe once more. It will try. The 26. No, not yet. Not yet. It's tricky. It's tricky. Next company is anytime 6110. Yeah. This one is a tricky area. What a move here. I mean, this is just wow. I don't even get it. 48 there. Not sure I want to participate in this. I still see like gold could be shifting, but I'm not touching it. YM also shifting back up there. NQ should be dropping down to that 26, but the issue is that if I don't have an entry, I just can't take a trade, especially when it moves like 10-20 points in a second. So no, I'm tempted to take a short, but I just can't. I just can't. I really want to, but I can't. No turnaround here. Popping higher. Almost like awful price action currently at this moment. But we still have time, of course. $61.10 area. First buy for long for me. The hard stop. We bottom 60.70, 61.10. Yeah, it could be a good swing position from that area. I agree. Could be a good swing position. For now, I don't see what I like. I mean, yeah, it's great that it's going down. I mean, NQ, but without a proper entry, it's useless for me. The 50 level is holding. This 50 level is doing something. I don't know what and why, but it's doing it. Okay, here we have a bounce. Here we have a bounce. Could this be a shift going back into this inversion at 85? I think I should have left my YM trade alone. NQ might try to go down again. Or it could be YM, who knows? I wonder if NQ will give in and go down, or is it just gonna play a trick here? A trick move. And not gonna do anything. Maybe just going sideways here. It actually shifted structure on the 1 minute. If you look at it, shifted the structure, created a fair value gap, which is so far holding somewhat, which is good. If it trades below this candle, it might gonna break the low. And we still have time from the macro. I don't know what's it doing. Really don't know. Didn't trade lower than that level. So it's still valid. You're in long NQ, let's go. TP96, good luck, good luck. You know, you can leave some room for it to breathe if it wants to trade down there to that candle, to that flat bullish candle. This one. But I think you're good. Or we'll see. The only thing we have is the 1 hour gap down there. So otherwise, no issue with NQ. Look at that. This could be the start. This could be the start of NQ going higher. Nice little shift. Let's go. Actually, there's a small gap here at 285 where it can go to. So it's actually a good target to what's the high of this? This one is almost technically an inversion gap. The high of this one is 86.25 on the micro, and here 86. Okay, so you can actually try to reprice it. Hello Kishig, what's up? What is going on? Did it go for it? Yeah, it did. Interesting price action. Very interesting price action for sure. Okay, we got into this gap. Still going. Still going. And NQ is still edging, still going for it. What targets do we have? We still have that BC up there, which is kind of like a resistance zone. And above that, we have some good targets. 371 for first target, and then maybe go higher. I can imagine this one completely shifting again to make a new high. You know, it's NASDAQ. $496 is your TP, so way up there. Yeah, targeting the 500s. That's a good target. Making some new highs. Yeah. Nicely entering at the lows here. I'll be right back. All right, here we are. Sorry, I was just checking something. What is happening? Are we gonna bounce down or what? Crypto Panda, good to see you. What's happening? I was looking for a possible drop down to that 20. What's that area? 26. It's not going there right now. It's not going, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit more. And gold, well, seems like gold can't make up its mind. Question: do you trade day traders? No, no. I haven't even heard about them until now. This is the first time I hear that name. Day traders is it's a new prop firm. I guess so. I guess it could be a new prop firm, right? Hey Marcus, you will enter at 22,320 to a short. Let's go. They said is a former Apex owner developer. Oh really? That sounds interesting, to be honest. That could be interesting. Look at this NQ pushing up higher. Maybe I'm gonna enter a short on NQ as well. If it shows a possible good entry, who knows, right? If it can give me a possible good entry, then yeah. Also, seems like YM might want to drop as well. Anyway, waiting for that short, but I'm just not sure which area to use as a possible entry. We have a 5-minute gap here, a small one, which I can utilize for a possible short. Let's see what it does. Going higher a little bit now. Okay, we got into that area on NQ. And maybe gold will also present an opportunity to go short. I'm not sure. I'll be watching gold too. Still waiting. Do you guys have any idea what's happening with NQ? I hope it will go down, obviously, to have a proper entry on it. All right, still nothing. It's the waiting game again. Okay. Waiting for NQ, waiting for NQ. It might try to take that gap down there again. If it does, I might jump in. That's the plan. The new hour is coming in less than 3 minutes. We still have the macro going on here. Payroll. Do you know how many accounts can you have it take? Yeah, you can have 5. 5 accounts. 5 accounts, Raul. I have heard you guys are waiting for shorts. Close my buys there, but I still believe it's going for 496. A lot of sell stops above 367. Could be, definitely. That's why if an opportunity presents itself, I'm gonna go short, I think. But in the meantime, of course, I'm just gonna wait and see how it goes. So far, Apex is the one that allows you the most. Well, well, Take Profit Trader doesn't allow you to trade news. So major news events like FOMC or NFP or CPI news. Other than that, there is not much to go by. I mean, not too many rules. Actually, this is the main one. You're allowed to DCA or scalp. So as far as I'm concerned, they are okay too. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? New hour is kicking in 30 seconds ish. But yeah, Apex does allow you to do all kinds of stuff. And you can also DCA or micro scalp as long as it's part of a strategy. Just a second. Which one you recommend once you hit the 20 PA on Apex? I would go with the Take Profit Trader for now, for the daily payouts. Yeah, so that's what I would do. You know, to have a daily payout account. But obviously, it's up to you. It's depending on your trading style, everything. So it's definitely up to you. But yeah, that's what I would go with. Look at this. I'm also trying to do that funded account finally with Take Profit Trader. One of the bigger goals I need to achieve. Alright, watching the new candles here, but seems like it's pushing back on this hour. Yep, nothing special. Let's see the next one. So what's up with gold here? Gold seemingly might want to go lower. Who knows? I got into Apex. Oh, no problem, Raul. Absolutely. But this is my opinion. Obviously, you can do some extra research, but I'm looking to go for some nice trades with Take Profit Trader in the future. So you know, it's just my opinion. And now I'm just trying to figure out what this NQ wants to do actually. No structure shift. And also, what is gold doing? I thought that it wants to go down and, you know, sweep those lows. But instead, it's not doing anything. Please not now. And NQ now seems like it wants to grind its way all the way up to that 364 area up there. All right, what's it gonna be, NQ? What's it gonna be? Seems like YM is not looking for that low. NQ might, but it's hard to say right now. Quite interesting. Gold is not really moving. I might take a short on NQ. Not sure. What was this spike here? Some news hit the market, or I don't know. I don't know what was this. But NQ just skyrocketed. Also YM made a new high. I was almost ready to take a short. But it bounced like in the last second from here to here, like 17 points. Quite interesting. Where can it go? 930 high. It can go for the highs. And we have technically, oh, we have some levels up there. All right. Maybe it was some kind of a news event. Nothing special. Should have closed. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what was it. That was very strange. What a pop. All of a sudden. I don't know what could have been, or what was it. Seems like it might want to push it higher, you know. Maybe all the way to the 350s. You know, getting back to this 1 hour BC. Not sure. But then it has to push not just the 50s, it has to push through almost the 70s. If it gets there. That's the main question, if it does it or not. And the gap, well, that's at 50 something, I don't know. Anywhere. Somewhere up there. Some highs up there, but you know, it couldn't get through the 70s earlier. I don't know if it can get through right now. Breaking. Hey, listen, Dale Zizinga, break even for the day is a winning day. I can guarantee you that. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Seems like that 67 is really, really important for the market to be taken out. Even YM is going higher. I was struggling with the MyFundedFutures account today. I mean, look at this. I tried to this account I made $84 trying to get back from drawdown, but this other account, look at this. I made $74 and this is the commission, 357. All day I was scalping this account and I only made $74 because I was just, you know, one win, one loss, one win, one loss, and back and forth. And at the end, I ended up $74. I don't think I want to push it, and it's still in drawdown, but I don't think I want to push it. Suffered enough. You know, that account suffered enough. All right. I'm just gonna say this was so far not an easy session, not the worst one, but not easy for sure. Not an easy session. Well, let's wait for those orders then to be taken out. I just can't jump in like this. I'd like to go short on gold, but I just don't trust that it's going to go lower. So I'm going to leave it at that. And for NQ, it's a difficult. It's a bit difficult. It's just not going for the highs. I thought that it will, but it's not going. All right, here we go. Is it going to turn around here? I don't think it will. Makes me change my bias to being a little bit more bullish on this level and target the 71s maybe, you know. Okay, the gap has been repriced here on the 5-minute. Still feels like there's lots of orders or liquidity on the 15-minute right above 71. Right there. I'd like to see it go there. never mind. Now it's going down, which is great. It took a long on NQ. Trying to go for those orders up there. If it makes it. If not, well, it is what it is. $70.5 equal highs. Yes, I'm looking at those 70s. So yeah, there you go. 70, 71. I like that area. So yeah. $70.5. Yeah, I like that. It's gonna be a slow grind. I feel like then that could be a slow grind from here, and if it goes, if not, then obviously it's not. Doesn't look that good right now. Kind of curious what it wants. No trace for you. Yeah. Hey, Ludafish, got myself a bunch ahead this AM. Let's go. And have an appointment with Administrator Technical Service this afternoon. Well, hopefully they can help you out. Then we're saying Byron Apex account for the rest of the day. It's up to you, man. Just careful with taking those risks. It's a difficult session for now, in my opinion. I mean, it's a difficult session, is what I think. That 70 area is still looking juicy. No, it's not it. That's the YM trade that I'm still in. And that's a different account. I'm copy trading this, so I'm going to show you. Oh, it's the old contract. Okay, never mind. There it is. There it is. My YM trade is garbage right now. This would be a one-to-one trade, I know. But I was just looking if this one wants to break higher than those 50s. Oh man, what's it gonna be? Anyway, I have this trade on another account which I'm gonna let it ride until 68.75. So this one took TP, but the other one is still not there because I entered manually on the different level. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna take partial. I'm just gonna put the stop to break even because I had enough of this price action. I don't care. And I'm gonna put the TP up there. And that's it. Free trade. Free trade, at least. What a slow day. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. Yeah, I haven't been able to open NT8. Oh, that sucks, man. Hey, MB Trader, good morning. So, such a slow day for me. Overall, made a bit of a profit on the funded accounts, but I'm not satisfied all that much. I mean, yes, I'm happy, but not the kind of trades that I was looking for today, to be honest. Not the kind of trades, not the kind of entries that I was looking for. It was a little bit hectic, to be honest. I think it's not enough room for this trade to go. I'm gonna retest lower. I don't care. I'm not gonna move my stop. If it takes it, I'll let it take it. I'm green, technically. So here's my accounts so far, including the funded accounts that are in drawdown. So overall, on these Apex accounts today, I made $100. So only up 1,125. This one also made $100, up 615. These other accounts are only up $600 each. So pretty much, as I told you guys, I had to restart everything. These Bulenox accounts made it $100 today as well. So pretty slow grind, but above $1,000. I'm still fighting on my Take Profit Trader new test account, and I'm out. Okay, and these MyFundedFutures account, these are my hardest struggles right now. I made $84. These are in drawdown. 49,000 on this funded account, 49,178. This one is at 49,606. And look at this. I made $92 on this account and $392 commission. So imagine I was scalping on this account all day today. My commission is 392 and I'm in net profit 92. So very unsatisfied with my scalping performance here. Yeah, I made $92 net profit, but whew, Jesus. Not the one I was looking. I don't think. I mean, I'm not proud of it. Hey Dominic, what's up? Yeah, I know Patrick Whelan. Yeah. Sometimes I watch his stream. Yeah, I'm still here, but it was a slow day for me. Highly disciplined, yet you let yourself distract by many things and with less important approach. Yeah, I know, Dominic. I have to change something. It's a very turtle grind for me. What the fuck do you have more than 2 trades a day? More than 2 yeah, I was scalping on one account. On one of these funded accounts. This is prop firm accounts. These are funded accounts, you know. Oh, you won his course. Congratulations, Akram. Nice. Nice. That's a good thing. Look at that. And now it's going up there. Should have taken it. I mean, should have left it. I don't. Took out my stop right here and boom, going for that 70. What can I do, right? Just gonna go for it. But it has to go through the 64s at least, or the 65s up there. It just has to go through those levels. You know. Maybe once it gets through, it has a chance, but otherwise, hard to say. Have you? No, I haven't. But I saw that you were sending some stuff. I wasn't on Discord too much today, so I'm gonna have to dive in because I have quite a lot of messages. Single trade, yeah. Should I watch it or gonna disturb? I don't know, Akram. It's hard to say. I'm not saying that strategy is bad or anything. It's up to you. I mean, you can watch it. Why not? You know. You can watch it, Akram. Absolutely. What are your top 3 pop firms? MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, and Apex. Not particularly in this manner, but these are the 3 ones that I like. Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Apex. These are the main ones. And also, I'm looking into trade day a little bit more, and I know that the profit trade thing is still not sorted out. I hope that they will get back on track, but I told this many times, and next time I'm gonna be much more, you know, I'm gonna do much more research if I start up with a brand new prop firm. But these 3 are my best. And Tick Trader, totally forgot. Tick Trader also around since a few years, and the new direct instant funded accounts are absolutely a good deal. And I'm gonna do instant funded accounts with Tick Trader. I just haven't had the time last week, so you know it's Christmas, but they still have a good sale. Two video, 30 seconds. I'm gonna check it. Dominic. I have like, I don't even know how many messages. Sweeping Asia high, Mexico high, and go all the way short. This scenario ever. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna definitely check it out, Dominic, and write you back because I know you have interesting stuff. Guys, is somebody trading with wealth charts? No, I know that APEC, I mean, so far, some people told me that they were using it and it's so far so good, but I haven't looked into that much. I'm interested about the ability to handle trade copier much easier with my accounts. Oh, we need the reversal sign. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. How far can it go? Can it go all the way up? NPM, welcome. I've tried it, but it's pretty useless platform. If you are used to solid ones, like NinjaTrader. Oh. So you better wait for short from Asia open, yeah. Over 500 ticks. Call the 367. That's a nice little distance there. Jeff, what's up? I'm playing with vol charts, but not really liking it much. Oh, trade copier is easy, but with lousy ATM features, it's still useless. Trade await. Oh, I see. I see. Which reminds me, I also have my Tradeify funded account, which I haven't traded on this week, only once. Apex want to lower their cost and got on the beta stage platform. Yeah, I think so too, NPM. That's true. That could be very true. They want to lower their cost. I think so as well. I don't need ATM. I need to know if it's reliable and fast. Oh, I see. Push it down. Trade away. Like sayonara. Oh, I see. I see. Come on, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? NQ is just edging higher. There's no stopping. Sixty-one 6120 long, but we have strong resistance area. Uh-oh. Alright. Messy and all over the place. If you want to integrate a trade copy, you straight away. 388. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, it feels like it still wants to break that level. Or up to the 400s even. You know. What if it wants to go up to the 400s? There's a swing high at 97. I don't know what's up with that. Where is it gonna go? Not sure. Seems like it might want to. One touch higher. The question is it gonna go to yeah, so I can, yeah. Might not go into the 90s. You know, this could be it. There's one more swing high at 97, but I don't know if it wants to go for it. Eval charts use the trade copier. You have to keep it open. View. Oh, you have to keep it open. Okay. It only fires off one trade. Oh, it does. Okay. That seems to be a technical issue there. Not a serious one, but yeah. Interesting. That NQ just stuck here. So what's it gonna be, NQ? What's the plan here? 426? I'm not sure. First it has to go through, you know, the 400 again. And I think there is definitely some resistance here in this area. NQ setup, let me check. Oh, I see. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Could be. Could be. Good one, Dominic. Could be the case. Seems like we're stuck here. Well, I wonder if it wants to go lower or not. It swept some highs, so that's definitely an issue. Let's keep an eye on it. Hey, Ollie, good morning. What's going on? Second level, second TP level. Around this time, we expect less higher high to short. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I see. Nice. Well, it could happen. I see that. At 243 and lower, and okay, would be interesting. That's for sure. Oh yeah, quite interesting. If it goes down, well, I'm not saying I wouldn't like it, but not sure yet. Look at that. It's going. Nicely called, Dominic. Nice call there. Good call. Down lower, fast, fast, fast. I haven't taken it, but I have no positions on. Actually, I can show you orders, positions. I'm flat. I have nothing on, but I'm just following this. And it's interesting how it forms. Swept those levels, you know. And it just goes. Per hour and 10 minutes trade, just lower, lower. Yes, rollover ready to dump. It's back the way it is, time based. Okay, so we are almost at lunch hour. Let's see what's gonna happen. So that means that we can definitely go to 283-ish area. Quite a possibility. And where from there? That 282 or 283 around right time things occur. Yeah, definitely have to also watch for time and price alignment. Gives us a better idea. 22,191 is target. Looking at it. Looking at it. You know what? I like your idea. It's actually a good one. It's actually a good idea. We have fair value gaps and everything presented. This one actually shifted structure to the downside. So yeah, I'd say we have a good target down there. Look at that. Fair value gap at 320. Actually, the low 319.50. That is why. Oh, Hey, Pauline. Nutty Bar is not here, I think. Used to watch Nutty Bar. Imagine small trade with all accounts. Oh yeah, just small trades. Copying together. That could work out. Actually, quite good. And you only have to focus on, those quote unquote small profits, copying them together step by step. It has bought my grandparents a few fridge, new oven, my cousin a new bed, my friend a new car jack. Oh, myself a new car. Then the tire changer and the balancer. Dude, you got me. Dominic, you got me. You got me there. I know you have put in everything into your studies on this price action, so amazing, amazing. That is amazing. Did you buy that BMW that you showed? The red one, right? It was a red one. By the way, I jumped into a small little short here. I'm just going for a low-hanging fruit and targeting the 320. And I might add a small position to it. So here's my target down there. Oops. Come on. Come on, I just want to put this here. And I'm gonna add one more to it. Yeah, you guys don't see it. Where is it? Here. This is not my final stop. I just put it there. My stop is gonna be much tighter. I'm just watching this closer or closely. I don't know if I should leave a portion to this level down there. Maybe I should. Maybe not. Almost took it. There. Too late. But hey, I'm okay. Small profit is profit. I made $85 times 3 by this trade called by Dominic. This trade is called by Dominic. And this small trade, these small trades were taken by Dominic. So here you go. These were my trades on 3 Apex accounts. Look at this. Here it is. Made $85. 1 account, 2 account, 3 account. I know it's not much, but it was basically a scalp for me. Look at this, man. Wow. Let me check the photos. Oof. Nicely done refurbishing it. Awesome. Awesome, man. Congratulations on the car, by the way. Dude, you are doing it. I'm super happy for you, Dominic. I am extremely happy for you. That's how it's done. Dominic, I am super happy for you. I must give you an applause, man. I mean, I hope you don't mind if I show some of these pictures to the community. Like, guys, this is Dominic just sent this, and I want to congratulate you. Huge applause. Because these stuff Dominic bought from trading. This BMW here, fridge, all these tools. Dude, you have to, put everything in order here. Congratulations for, and this is from trading. So look at the bed. From trading. So congratulations. Yeah, really awesome result. And you know what? This is extremely encouraging for everyone. Me too, including myself. Extremely encouraging to see that you are actually paid for those stuff from payouts from trading. That is like super cool. And I don't know what to say. You really deserve it. And no words. No words. You take only single step a day. So 1 step at a day. So what you're saying, Dominic, is 1 trade a day, 1 setup, 1 analysis, and go for it. You aim for 1 certain time when the thing happens. I see. Okay. Okay. It happens daily. Time and price, right? Time and price. Dude, I'm gonna look into it. Yo, Tom, I told you about best scenario. Yeah. 88% of the time you're gonna win. That is a huge win rate. That is a huge win rate there, man. I mean, it's awesome. Just a second. Out of 100 days, you have 88. Wow. I still don't understand the reason of the short setup. Can anyone explain? This was not my setup, but actually, I understood partially. The thing I took it is because, you know, this here swept the highs here. So look at these highs. And there was a 15-minute gap here, which this rectangle represents. And these highs were swept. So we have the lunch hour really close, and the macro, we have the macro at 1150 kicking in, dropping down there, and the next level of liquidity on the 1 minute is down here. I'm not sure about the rest of the levels down there. That's Dominic's department, but I was agreeing 100% with Dominic that we have the lunch hour, we have the macro is just going down there, and we have a fair value gap, so it might want to take it. It's beautifully waterfalling down. I'm not sure again about the rest of the levels, but that's why I exited here. So that was, it's only me. But yeah, beautiful trade, Dominic, there. Don't tell me if 1 month in 20 days you would not like. Oh, definitely. Oh, yeah. Definitely, Dominic. Oh yeah, order block, fair value gap, those things were also present. Also present, like this. Look at this, 15-minute order block, boom, going down. So everything lined up. Structure shift, but it happened after, but still, it's good. Haytham, I mean, it's just my analysis. Obviously, we can put other stuff behind this, but mainly what I do is looking for some levels to purge liquidity, which it happened. Macro 1150, new lunch hour incoming liquidity on the 1 minute gap here, starting to go down. It's going for it, so it went for it. We can obviously fine tune it with some stuff, but that's what happened. What are the rules? I don't know the rules. That's Dominic's department for that kind of entry. What is macro time? So the macro time is usually 10 minutes before major hourly shifts. So for example, 9:50, 10:50, 11:50. It's usually, well, there's many explanations on YouTube if you search for it. It's an ICT concept mainly, or partially. It's a series of small algorithms that's starting to activate 10 minutes before the new hour. And the purpose of these small algorithms is to sweep liquidity, to sweep liquidity or inject some liquidity into the market, usually looking for areas of liquidity like swing highs, swing lows, nearby liquidity levels. So when we come to the hourly switch, especially in New York launch hour, that could be important, or the silver bullet hour, which is at 10 a.m. We could see these algorithms kicking in, maybe, and rattling the price a little bit up and down, and it's not always present, but it starts to move. You can see it many times, and it's pushing it for liquidity. That's the thing. Just wanted to thank you for your help. They have responded, and it turns out that 5 days isn't an issue. I'm not able to log in successfully. Hey, DL Zizinga, I'm super happy. That's great. That's great. I'm happy for you. It's always good to ask support because now you have an answer, and you have an answer. So at least you know it. At least you know it. You're welcome. I think it's not. I think it's Ryan. It's not that simple. I think it has to be aligned. Some factors has to be lined up. I think it could be multiple concepts have to be lined up. I'm not speaking next to. I'm not speaking for Dominic. I'm just thinking that I haven't looked into that strategy and that entry model specifically, but I suggest that it could be a little bit more complicated than, I mean, not complicated, but obviously we're looking for simplicity here in trading, but you know. Oh my god, I'm just seeing I'm streaming 3 hours. This is 6 hours today streaming, including the London session for me. Mm-hmm. 24-hour streaming. Oh yeah, that would be awesome. I know, by the way, it's off topic. It's off topic, but I was also thinking that I would like to make some other videos on my YouTube. I mean, somewhat trading related, of course. This is why sometime I do a little bit of a vlog video, and I mean, I'm not that good in editing videos. I mean, I'm learning, by the way, but I'm looking to make some more, little bit of a vlog video, or you know, some other trending videos, but that would be on a separate playlist. So the main focus stays the same, and we're definitely on the trading. But you know, I might put those onto a different playlist on the channel, and you know, do some day in 9-figure trader, yeah, and do some, you know, there's always some news circulating about trading, or just trending news on Twitter or YouTube that I can look into and comment on it. You know, I don't know, I like to do this kind of stuff. So, or interviews. Yes, Dominic, we were talking about the interviews, and not just with the top of the top traders, but everyone, even the ones who are here, OG viewers or traders. I know many of you guys, and you know, share your story, how you started, where are you at right now. So, you know, the reality of trading, the negatives, the positive things that you experience. So I think that would be encouraging for also mostly for those people who are getting into trading, but you know, everyone. I would really like to do more thing on the YouTube channel, not just streaming. So one of the quote unquote goals for next year with the channel is to create more content, not just small vlog videos, but some interviews, some news videos, whatever, you know. But trying to stay, or also about health, you know, because that's also an important question. Anyway, a little bit more content besides streaming, you know. Standing desk is a good idea, Dominic. Never get cocky and think you have the market figured out, because the market always. Oh yeah, definitely, Jay. It's just, and the market sooner or later humbles everyone, even the top of the top traders, and you have to be prepared that the market is humbling anyone, or everyone, time to time. You know, throws you back to the wall, and you just have to stand up and continue. That's how it goes. Because now, as you could see, I stand near the table and stay fucking like never before. Being in feet won't make you want to sleep and boost your awareness 110%. I was reading about this, and And I think it is a concept I think I should do as well. A standing desk, you know, would be able to, I would be able to, because obviously, and I'm gonna be honest, and you guys can see, sometimes I just fall asleep watching market not moving anything. But instead, when I'm standing, we could share some ideas and setups, and you know, keep the conversation rolling. That should be a good idea. Take this trade and just made third, then you exit and you're fine. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, definitely, Dominic. I would appreciate that. Definitely, whenever you have time. Don't worry. I would. That would be great. I would look into it. All right, ladies and gents, I think I'm going to call it here. Overall, ended up in profit. Let me summarize my accounts for now. The ones that I currently logged in. I have more. These accounts are up $100, a little bit more. So 51,128. Also $108, 50,615. I told you, starting from scratch again. And Dominic called these trades, made $85 each on these accounts, which are up to 685-ish. The Bulenox accounts made it up $107 each, above 1,000 right now. The MyFundedFutures funded account are still in drawdown, 49,178, $84 today on this, trying to recover from that. And this one has $274, almost back to 50,000, but it still has a way to go. I haven't taken a trade on my Take Profit Trader account. I really want to. I think maybe tomorrow I'm gonna get funded, but I have another one, but this account has blown. So this one is admin only. I unfortunately blown this account, so 150k. So trying this one anyway. I have more. I have a Tradeify funded account, which I'm not traded today, and looking for the Tick Tick Trader funded account too. Anyway, I have stuff to work on. Thank you so much, everyone. Dominic, thank you. We'll talk on Discord. Thank you, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow for the London session. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links if you would like to support. Today is the last day for the Apex and the Bulenox sale. Check it out. At Take Profit Trader, no activation fee if you use my code, and you get the first you get a refund from the first payout. So check that out. And MyFundedFutures also no activation fee. Tick Tick Trader, instant funded accounts, and what else? Some of the others too. Tradeify, I don't have a custom code, but I have a link. Thank you again. Cheers, everybody. God bless you all, and see you guys tomorrow in London session. God bless everyone. Cheers.